We've been working on bikes all day. Do you want to try it? Do you think you could handle it?
Oh, really?
No, I'm just kidding. But do you think you could?
Oh! Jesus! Dude, how? How what? Okay. Okay. That was amazing. That was amazing. Thanks. Thank you so much. Okay. You have to burp the fluids out? Or is it, you know what that is? Like when you put the thing there and you rev it and then a bit